Hey there, I'm James Bill from JamesBillOfficial.com, and welcome to my channel. Affiliate Marketing for Beginners and What You Must Know. Affiliate marketing is simply selling someone else's product or service, and you get paid a nice hefty commission for it. But what I want to share with you today are a few things that people are not telling you. Okay? There's a few things that you need to have in order and a few tools that you need. And I'm going to start with number one is a capture page. A capture page is simply where you're going to get someone's email address. You put your ad on that capture page. They're interested. In order to get what you have there through a freebie or to go through to your offer, they must fill in their email address. And what this does, which brings me to number two, what you're going to need is an autoresponder, an email autoresponder. What this is going to allow you to do, once you have that email, now you're going to be able to follow up and send messages to your prospects, giving them valuable information about what it is that you have to offer. And the key to this is people don't usually buy from you the first time around. It usually take anywhere from 7 to 12 touches or contacts, meaning they have to see you and your offer or product at least 7 to 12 times before they usually decide to buy. That's why it's great to have an autoresponder in place, guys. And what you want to do also, instead of just where another beginner mistake that I see people make, you don't just take the link and just start posting it all over trying to get a sale. What you want to do here basically is brand yourself. People buy from people that they know, like, and trust, not companies. Okay? Companies come and go. That's why you want to brand yourself. Put your face out there. Put your name out there. Put your videos out there. Engage with people. Let them know that it's you that's communicating with them. This is how you get people to know, like, and trust you. Then they will buy from you guys. Okay? And what you want to do also, it's you need to network, and you need to build a network. You need to have someone to look at whatever it is you have. You could have the best product or offer in the world, but if nobody knows about it, it's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to leave off the shelf, so to speak. So what you need to do here is build a network. You want to pick one platform, social media platform, whether it's YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Instagram. You pick whatever you're comfortable with. But you get one platform, guys, and you master that platform. I see too many people trying to maneuver all over the social media, trying this, that, and the other. No. You need to master one platform until you get to generate leads there and sales. Then you might want to move on to the next. But that's basically it in a nutshell, guys. You have to build your audience, engage with your audience, and sell to your audience. And if you like a little bit more information on this here, I'm going to leave you a free guide below that takes you step by step through this process to get you to start generating some leads and recruit some people to your business, guys. So till the next time, I'll see you on the next video. And if this is your first time here, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on the next video.